has been long. I've been craving for this agidi jollof, guys. They can't get me water to wash hands. Quick, quick, quick. So let me wash my hands, guys. Come and eat with me. Can you guys see it? Aye. So yummy. This is brisket bone, but we used to call it biscuit bone. Is it brisket? Bracklet bone. I don't know. Okay, biscuit bone. Wow. With chilled pure water. Agidi jollof or pagineri apa ni Imo State. I've been craving for this for the past 2 weeks. Today, I tell me eat it. When I was coming back from work, I saw the woman. I was like, "Madam, what are you selling?" Very neat, not woman herself, a young lady. Very neat. I don't eat anyhow anyway. I was like, "Madam, what are you selling?" She said, okay, she was shouting it. Agidi jollof. I was like, wow, madam, please come and give me 5. How much? 200. I said, is this to sell? I said, give me 5, give me 5. Last. I collected the number. This one on the floor. I'll pick it. Nothing will waste here. Make I give my children. Take. They're not gonna let me eat in peace. Thank God I bought 5. I wanted to finish it. Let me give them. People cannot say thank you. I wanted to buy. So yummy, guys. And then you guys should come and tell them about this agidi jollof. Come and tell them about this agidi jollof.
You're eating agidi jollof, very sweet, very yummy.
So yummy, come and tell them.
Agidi jollof, very sweet, very yummy.
So yummy.
So nice. So we're enjoying it.
Very sweet. See the way I open my legs wide because I'm eating agidi. I don't want anything that will distract me, that will disturb my belly, my leg. I said, let me sit on the floor and enjoy this agidi. Guys, I've gotten an agidi plug. Agidi shop plug. When I was a little girl, my grandmother used to buy this thing. Whenever she goes to the market, she will buy this agidi jollof. If she did not buy it, if we travel to Christmas, if she's going to market, we used to call her Ogbom. Ogbom, please buy agidi jollof for me. Buy agidi jollof. She must buy it. If she did not buy it, she is in trouble. She will buy it. She will not like, I am in your chimere. Take her own. In your man, My elder sister, take your own. I don't know. This one they enter my medulla oblongata. I wish I can swallow this.